Hello, my name is Halik Kochanski, and I look forward to giving the 2025 Sir Michael Howard Centre lecture at King's College London. My subject is resistance in Europe during the Second World War. Now, resistance took place in every country occupied by the Germans and was both armed and unarmed. I will divide the subject into three parts. The first will cover the early part of the war when the Germans were totally dominant and ask the questions, why resist and how to resist? The next section will show how the German invasion of the Soviet Union in June 1941 and the failure to take Moscow that year transformed the nature of the war and therefore of the resistance. The communists were mobilized and brought with them the danger of civil war. German policies began to affect everyone, and so resistance became a more attractive option. Finally, after the surrender of Italy, the war was clearly going the way of the Allies, and the armed resistance came to the fore. I will examine just what contribution the resistance movements made to the liberation of their own countries. I hope that you will join me on Wednesday, the 3rd of December, either in person or online.